Hi, I'm Mehdi, owner of Sunny Bliss Plumbing Air. Let's talk about duct cleaning in Miami. And I'll be honest about when you actually need it because plenty of companies push it on everyone. Here's the straight version. You don't need your ducts cleaned every year, but there are real reasons to do it. Visible dust blowing from the vents, a musty smell when the AC kicks on, mold, which is no joke in Miami's humidity, or right after renovation when drywall dust gets everywhere. If you've got allergies or asthma in the house, clean ducts generally help the air you breathe. When we do it, we clean the whole system, supply and return ducts, registers, and the blower, not just the few inches you can see behind the vents. And while we're there, we will check for the bigger issue our humidity loves to create: mold growth and moisture in the system. Surface cleaning hides that, and we'd rather you know. We're a licensed Florida AC contractor since 1990. Our license is CAC 182345. If your vents are dusty or the air smells off, give us a call and we'll take a look at it.